I made so much more work for myself. Especially since I'm going to stretch the fenders 3 inches. I'm an idiot. I shouldn't have worn my nice jacket today. Or my nice sweater. I forgot I was going to be working on this after I closed the shop down at 12. And now it's cold. And I don't want to ruin my nice stuff. So, we're going polar bear mode. Well, this car is way more complete than the blue one. It's got the grill in it and everything. I'm pretty sure the grill for the blue car, which is slightly different, was the one that I pulled out of the interior of this. And I think I like that grill better, but I still don't know what I'm doing. I know this whole thing is going to go back about 2 inches, 2 or 3 actually, into the fender, because I don't want this sticking out past this little reese part here. I made so much more work for myself. Especially since I'm going to stretch the fenders 3 inches. I'm an idiot. This is the cool stuff, but also the very hard to find stuff. Stuff that I'm going to have to try and fix up if I do end up keeping it. Okay. Coming out of this over then. Questionable. It's getting rewired. I'm just cutting everything. That one actually still had a plug on it, like a factory plug. Oh yeah, don't build the grill out of anything solid. It's not like it's gonna break. Not even a... Who designed this? When they engineered this car, decisions were made. None of them were very good. I am way colder than I look. I am also really bougie, and I don't want my nice stuff ruined. Lights are out, now we'll get the grill out. Which, I think it's just a bunch of 5/16ths. '65 grill. I don't think I like it as much as the other grill. I'm going to do this fender first, because this door opens, and this side's, I think, got a lot of problems. I want to see what the inner structure's like. Not that I'm going to use it, I'm just curious. Well, get rid of the horns, because they're just in my way. It's pretty much off except for the one in the door jamb, which is really hard to get at if you don't have an extension. I might walk down to the shop and get one. I probably will. I'm going to see if I can't do it with just that one right quick. Fender's off. What I'm about to say next applies to every goddamn idiot in my comment section or on my post who goes, "Why don't you fix that car? Restore it! Restore it! Oh, I got 30 years experience as a body man. I'm a This is why. This is rotten. This is toast. There are no repair panels for this. This is so twisted and mangled, even on a fucking frame jig, this is not going to go back together properly. This car is perfect for a body swap because from the firewall back, minus the floor and the quarters to a degree, it's not terrible. But this, that's solid. Let's restore that. Let's restore that. Anyone who says this car is worth restoring to original, idiot. At least Challengers and Mustangs and Chargers and all that, you can buy this inner structure. There's almost nothing for these. I mean, I found a guy who makes quarters, I found some trims, some seals, some other stuff, but there's not much for like major structure panels or a floor. Knew that was gonna happen. That hurt more than I let on. This hood is questionable at best. We're gonna try to get this lower valance off. Most car makers would have used what, we call a bolt, not AMC. I'm going to try and get the cowl off today, and that's probably going to be about it, because it is getting cold. The sun went in. I'll get the cowl another day. It's too cold out, I'm too cold, and the car is too frozen.